The Tom just gobbled. Out in front of us, probably 100 yards away. We're all set up.
Oh, let's go, dude. Oh, thank you.
They're still gobbling.
A friend of mine, Jordyn, that I actually just met like 5 minutes ago, but he's good friends with a lot of guys I know, and he shot a tom last night, but I'm gonna try and get him another one this afternoon. So, what's up, fellas? Got anything to say, Jordyn?
I'm just excited to get down here. Let's go.
Right. So we've got a few turkeys spotted down in this field. I have permission to hunt the outskirts of it, but I can't hunt in it because the lady has horses that she doesn't want to be mistaken for a turkey. But anyways, Jordyn and I are gonna sneak down the power line beside it, try and get in the woods and call them to us. It's still early, so they can still move around quite a bit and see what happens.
We're sneaking in on these birds. Haven't identified a tom yet, but we're gonna give it a shot. What's the right footwear for this occasion? Not these, but these will do. Oh, he's coming. The tom just gobbled. Out in front of us, probably 100 yards away. Oh, I can see him. Oh, yeah. Here. I see him. Yeah, I see him.
What's up, guys? It's May 16th. We're just about halfway through the season, and I'm taking my buddy Jordyn and then my roommate Evan out hunting this morning. We weren't able to roost a bird last night. We got after a tom that took us late into the evening, so we weren't able to get to somewhere else and find a tom to roost. But I've got some spots in mind this morning. We're gonna go try out and hopefully locate them before the sun comes up and see if we can kill one.
We're all set up. There's Tom gobbling behind us. Got the decoys in the field. See if we can't call him in. Hey, stay still, stay still. Stay still, there's more toms.
I don't think I can't wait any longer. Bro!
Oh, let's go,
Dude.
baby. Oh, thank
They're
God.
still gobbling.
I thought he was gonna come on the left.
Man, so I didn't see him until he was like right behind that birch tree.
I never
And
saw him.
I thought, I saw you start to aim your gun out there, and I thought he was out there. And then he's right here. Dude, that hunt was perfect.
Oh, that was badass.
That was
man.
freaking awesome.
Well, I saw him fanning out right here, and he was circling.
Mm-hmm.
And I think he spotted the decoys, and man, dude, I was just like, oh, and I was kind of in an uncomfortable spot, and I'm like,
Dude,
is
that setup
tree moving?
was pretty
Oh,
great though.
Perfect. And then he started coming in this way, right here. I'm like, oh shit, I'm gonna have to make an adjustment. And then I'm like, oh, this is
Dude,
perfect.
freaking
through
right,
those trees,
man.
Baby, let's go. Dang.
He was fired up.
Oh, he was, dude. I told you. Oh, he's coming in hot.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that's freaking awesome.
Let's go.
This Tom was fired up. There was another one behind him, and then I was calling after Jordyn shot, and I was like, let's go get it. Like, I can't wait. After someone shoots a turkey, I'm too fired up. And that other Tom was coming in right behind him though, but they probably spooked.
Did you ever get eyes
But-
on him?
The other Tom?
Yeah.
No, but like I said, I didn't see him till he was probably at like 25 yards.
Oh,
But it's all on video.
Oh,
That's sweet,
bro,
dude.
let's go. Man, thanks.
Dude,
Jason.
nice
That was
Tom.
Awesome.
That was a super fun hunt.
Oh, that was a blast.
Dude. Well, that freaking hunt was awesome. He did exactly what I was hoping for once he flew down out of the tree. I wasn't sure if he was coming in from behind us, and then when he hammered at probably 40 yards out in the field, I was like, all right, we got him now. And Jordyn made a good shot, dropped him. Yeah, how's it feel, dude?
Feels great, man. I appreciate you guys big time. That was awesome.